If you want to set a custom notification sound on Redmi A7 Pro, then in that case we need to go to settings. Over here in settings you want to scroll down a little bit and then go to sound and vibration, and after that you should be able to choose other notifications and reminders over here. Once you select that, you can go to choose local ringtone over here. There we go, and then we can go for audio files, and you should be able to grant the permission for File Manager in order to display all sounds that you have on your phone. So make sure to allow the access. There we go. Now once you have the list of audio files that you have on your phone, you should be able to choose the sound that you wish to set for notifications. So in my case, I'm gonna choose this one, System Notifications, and there we go. Now if you for some reason go back to add notification, you might want to go over there again and select the sound. Now it should be added into this list, so tap on the apply button on the right side and confirm that you want to do that. In case, once again, you have to allow the app to set the sound for you, if you need to grant certain permissions again, just make sure that afterwards you have this icon right next to the sound. If not, you want to tap on the apply button again and just try one more time to apply the sound. Leave a like and subscribe.